This video explains how to optimize high CPU usage and low GPU usage while gaming by utilizing powerful Windows tweaks. If you're using a gaming PC or laptop and experiencing stutters, low FPS, or underutilization of your GPU, this video will help resolve those issues. Just stick around until the end and don't forget to subscribe. These tweaks focus on boosting FPS and reducing lag, but what about your ping? That's where Guerra Booster comes in to stabilize your connection for smoother gameplay. Want super low ping in all the games? That's where Guerra Booster comes in clutch. Download Guerra Booster right now with the top link in my video description. It finds the best DNS servers near you to cut ping, fix lag spikes, and keep your game smooth and stable. And the best part? You can try it completely free. So guys, the first thing you need to do is make sure your Windows system is running at peak stability. Hidden errors, corrupted files, or system glitches can silently drain performance. Open your start menu, type CMD, then right-click on command prompt and choose Run as Administrator. From there, copy the first command provided in the video description and paste it into the window. Then hit Enter. This command uses the Restorehealth function to scan the Windows image for internal problems and automatically repair or replace any corrupted files. It can take a few minutes, so be patient and let it finish. Once that's complete, head back to the description, grab the second command, and run it the same way. This time, you'll launch the System File Checker, SFC, which performs a full integrity check of all protected Windows files and immediately replaces anything damaged with the correct version. By completing both scans, you're essentially giving your PC a clean slate. This not only helps free your CPU from hidden background errors, but also ensures your GPU can finally take on more of the workload. The result is smoother gameplay, reduced stuttering, fewer random crashes, and a noticeable FPS boost. Alright guys, the next step is managing background tasks. Since too many startup apps and services can overload your CPU and prevent your GPU from being fully utilized. To get started, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Once it's open, go to the Startup tab. Here you'll see a list of all the programs that automatically launch every time you boot up your PC. Carefully go through this list and disable anything you don't actually need. Apps like chat clients, launchers, or unnecessary utilities can be right-clicked and set to disable. This doesn't uninstall them, it only stops them from auto-starting and hogging CPU power in the background. The fewer programs running at startup, the more processing power Windows can dedicate to gaming. While you're still in Task Manager, switch over to the Services tab, scroll through the list, and look specifically for Xbox-related services, such as Xbox Live Auth Manager, Xbox Live Game Save, and Xbox Accessory Management Service. These are safe to turn off if you're not actively using Xbox features on your PC, and disabling them can free up additional CPU resources. To disable, right-click on the service and choose Stop, or for a more permanent change, open the services window from here and set its startup type to disabled. Taking these extra minutes to trim down background apps and services is one of the easiest ways to lower CPU usage. Remove unnecessary load and give your GPU more freedom to handle graphics tasks, which leads to smoother gameplay and higher FPS. So guys, another powerful tweak is adjusting your power plan settings. By default, Windows often uses a balanced plan, which can limit performance. To change this, open the Start menu, type Power Plan, and select Choose a Power Plan. From here, switch to High Performance or, if available, Ultimate Performance. These plans remove unnecessary power-saving features and let your hardware run at full strength. Next, click on Change Plan Settings, then change Advanced Power Settings. A new window will open with detailed options. Expand Processor Power Management, and you'll see two values: minimum processor state and maximum processor state. Set the minimum processor state and maximum processor state to 100%. This forces your CPU to always run at maximum performance, eliminating slowdowns caused by Windows scaling down your processor speed in the background. With the CPU running at full power at all times, your GPU can take on more workload during gaming, leading to smoother frame rates, reduced stuttering, and a better balance between CPU and GPU usage. Alright guys, another big reason you might be experiencing low GPU usage while gaming is that Windows isn't prioritizing your graphics card correctly. To fix this, we're going to enable hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling and manually assign your games to always use your dedicated GPU. Right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings. In the window that opens, scroll down and click on Graphics Settings under the Related Settings section. At the very top, look for Hardware-Accelerated GPU Scheduling. If your system supports it, turn this feature on. What it does is offload certain rendering tasks straight to your GPU, instead of leaving them on the CPU. This reduces CPU overhead and helps your graphics card reach higher utilization, which is exactly what we want. Now scroll down to the section labeled Choose an App to Set Preference. Open the drop-down, select Desktop App and click Browse. Find and add your game's executable file. Once added, click Options next to it. In the pop-up window, select High Performance, then hit Save. This forces the game to always run on your dedicated GPU rather than relying on integrated graphics or letting Windows decide, which often causes the GPU to sit idle. Repeat this step for every title you play, whether it's Fortnite, GTA 5, Valorant, or CS2. Assigning them all to high performance ensures Windows always pushes the workload onto your GPU, giving you better utilization, higher FPS, and fewer dips caused by the CPU doing more work than it should. So guys, let's move on to the next step. Download the Throttle app. You can download it simply from my Discord server. The link is in the description. After downloading and extracting the pack, open the folder and in the first step, launch ThrottleStop. Once the program opens, you'll see a straightforward interface with different profiles such as Performance Profile, Game Profile, Internet Profile, and Battery Saving Profile. Since our goal is stable gaming performance without unnecessary CPU strain, select the Game Profile. From here, check the option for high performance and confirm that this power plan is active. This makes sure your CPU runs consistently at full performance instead of scaling up and down, which can often lead to low GPU usage when the processor becomes a bottleneck. You'll also notice advanced options like clock modulation, multiplier speed shift, turbo, BDPROCHOT, speed step, and C1 states. These are mostly for advanced tweaking or older CPUs. If you're on a modern system, the best move is to leave them unchecked. This prevents overheating and avoids unnecessary instability. By setting up ThrottleStop this way, you're removing CPU throttling limits, giving your processor steady performance, and ensuring your GPU receives data fast enough to stay fully utilized. And that's how you fix high CPU usage and low GPU usage while gaming. If this helped, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more performance guides.